As the world's population is increasing rapidly, we need affordable, nutritious, and sustainable protein source more than ever. More than 150 million children are having protein energy malnutrition in developing area worldwide. And the consumption of meat products in developed area could increase the risk of chronic diseases. There is a highly potential solution. This story is about the Indonesian Tempeh movement, a non-profit organization that promotes tempeh as an affordable, nutritious, and sustainable protein source by transforming food science knowledge into an international movement. The founders of the Indonesian Tempeh movement are three generational food scientists, Professor Winarno, Wida Winarno, and Amadeus Driando Ahnan Winarno. First, they summarize scientific facts about tempeh. Tempeh is a traditional fermented soybean food that has been a staple protein source in Indonesia for more than 300 years. Compared to beef, tempeh contains similar amount and quality of protein, requires 5 times less emission, and 10 times less energy consumption with 25 times less the price. By fermenting soybean with the Rhizopus fungi, the nutrients in tempeh become more digestible. The essential vitamin B12 is added and the dangerous anti-nutrient phytate is eliminated. However, most people in Indonesia don't see tempeh's potential yet. Due to being very affordable and easy to get, tempeh sometimes is regarded as a food of the poor, and this is what the Indonesian Tempeh movement aims to change. The movement promotes tempeh using legitimate food science facts to break the wrong paradigm about tempeh, and to introduce tempeh to the world as a solution for affordable, nutritious, and sustainable protein source. After holding the first international conference on tempeh in 2015, the movement summarized the consensus and creates many forms of campaigns and activities. They educate people with fun videos, infographics, and campaigns on social media. They socialize the declaration of tempeh as a recommended weaning food for babies by the Indonesian Academy of Sciences. They publish international books about tempeh sciences, culinary arts, culture, and other aspects through collaboration with tempeh experts. The science of tempeh fermentation is also translated into the movement's Green Tempeh workshop training, providing a safer and more efficient way of making tempeh. The workshop combines the tempeh making traditional technique with a food safety standard good manufacturing practices to produce internationally acceptable tempeh products. They empower school dropouts, jail prisoners, rehabilitation patients, and underemployed villages to produce their own food and create more jobs. By connecting with investors, distributors, and marketers, the movement's tempeh products are to be marketed to 800 outlets worldwide. The movement has reached more than 8 countries and 6 continents in sharing the food science knowledge and social entrepreneurship experience on tempeh through food festivals, schools, food diplomacy meetings, and international conferences and seminars. The incorporation of emerging technologies is also involved. The 10 Easy project by the movement's founder Amadeus combines biotechnology and 3D printing technology in making the world's first 3D printed tempeh maker, giving access to tempeh fermentation in areas that are hard to reach by industrial production and distribution. The movement is striving for tempeh to be registered as a UNESCO Intangible Heritage with Codex Alimentarius Commission's international food standard under the FAO and WHO. With more than 9,000 engagements through its platforms, the movement is growing and creating more and more innovative approaches in offering the world a solution upon solid food science foundation. Ultimately, because tempeh fermentation also works on many different kinds of beans and legumes, the Indonesian Tempeh movement envisions to empower people with access to affordable, nutritious, and sustainable protein source using local crops from all over the world. This means higher value of agricultural products, new research and development, improved health and nutrition, new jobs, better economy, and improved human well-being.